Okay, I'm done with my project. I want to send people a link. What do I do? So, I mean, if you go to the URL alone, see, it doesn't actually find it. You have to share it first. So you can't just like say, oh, here, let me give this URL to people. It won't work. There's a few ways to do it. I mean, you could save your information, download it to your computer, but I want to actually do a shareable link because then you have a link to give people. So let's say I share this, which I really don't want to do, but I'm doing it because it's not done. So I just shared it. My project is now shared. So now if I take this URL, I'm going to go to a different browser. I'm going to put it in. Now anyone can see it. Anyone can go to this URL and look, see my program. So let's go back. Okay, so once you're done, obviously I wasn't done. I don't even know what I sent, but I want to show you. So if you're done with your whole project and you want to share it and have a link that's shareable, that's how you do it. You can just do it. You go and share it, and then people have the ability to go inside code, and that's how when you go on Scratch, you could go in and look at other people's code because they all made it shareable. So let's say I'm just randomly clicking on one, Polygon. So let's say here you can see someone made this polygon pop and whoa, it really did pop. Okay. Whoa, all right, I just stopped that. Okay, so I randomly went into it. Now what's nice about it is you can see inside. You can see inside anyone's shared. So if I share you a link to you guys and I have a shareable link, you can see inside my code. So now I can see the code and I can, obviously this was a much more in-depth program than what we did yet, but you can see all the code. And in fact, you can remix it. Remix means I actually want to update this. I think it's really good and can teach things, but I think it's a little too, I don't need all of this. Maybe I want to take this out and just keep this, but I actually want to use it. So you can remix. And remixing allows you, now it's called remix, to actually go in, use the code, change it. You could even share it, and now you are able to use someone else's, add to it, change it, and you can see they even changed the name to add remix, and now it's mine, and now it's in my file. So if I go to all of my code, here I'm going to go back to the beginning, to Scratch, and if you go here, I think this folder will bring up all of my projects. So now the Polygon Pop Remix is inside here. And it's not shared yet because it was shared. I took it, I remixed it. I didn't edit it yet. Once I edit it, then I could share it again, and people will have the new version. So this is how remixing works.